Hi everyone, Trev here from Norwood Sawmills, and I want to talk to you about the importance of keeping everything parallel and plumb and square on your machine. So quite often I get into conversation with fellas and they're making obtuse or parallelograms, or they're not getting that square cut between the first and second that you need to make in order to keep everything true. So make sure that your blade is parallel to your bunk, make sure that you're plumb to your bunk, and you can use a level when you flip that across on the side just to double check. It's something nice to do, especially when you're first starting out, because you're training your eye to find those squares and to be able to tell you when something's not straight. So don't be afraid to use that, and use it as a good judge. Look at it compared to your blade, make that 90 with your eye, and tell yourself, does that look straight or does that not look straight? And if you need to make an adjustment, make it at that point. That's your most crucial state. Another topic that comes up quite commonly is how close is close enough when you're setting up your machine. I talk to guys again that tell me they're shooting it with transits and they're doing all of this stuff and they can't seem to get it to cut straight. Well, I've never shot the mill with a transit, and I seem to be able to cut a straight board. And I think if you can get that mill leveled out and you're within an 1/8, you're close enough. Don't chase it beyond that to that 1/16, because I don't think it'll ever reflect to your cut. So if you can get it closer, that's great. But if you're down to an 1/8 and that's as close as you think you can get it, go ahead and try it. See if that's going to give you the results that you're looking for.